Hi, how are you? Today in this video I am going to show you about push-up, which is most important for our body. Push-up build a perfect healthy body. Do you know why need push-up every day? How to push up the right rules, and what happens if you do 30 consecutive push-ups daily for 1 month. So don't wait. Let's get started. Why you need push-up every day. Push-ups are a great exercise for building upper body strength, particularly in the chest, shoulders, and triceps. By performing push-ups regularly, you can increase your muscular endurance, improve your posture, and enhance your overall fitness. While it's not strictly necessary to do push-ups every day, incorporating them into your exercise routine on a regular basis can be beneficial. By doing so, you can maintain and improve your upper body strength and develop good habits when it comes to exercise and fitness. However, it's important to note that it's also important to allow your muscles time to rest and recover between workouts. So, if you do choose to do push-ups every day, make sure to vary your routine and avoid overtraining. It's also important to listen to your body and adjust your workout frequency and intensity as needed to avoid injury or strain. What happens if you do 30 consecutive push-ups daily for 1 month? Doing 30 consecutive push-ups daily for 1 month can lead to several benefits. Here are some possible outcomes. Improved strength. By doing 30 push-ups every day, you will be challenging and strengthening your upper body muscles, including your chest, shoulders, and triceps. Over time, this can lead to increased strength and muscular endurance. Increased muscle definition. Regularly performing push-ups can help to tone and sculpt the muscles in your upper body, leading to increased muscle definition and a more toned appearance. Improved posture. Push-ups can help to strengthen the muscles in your back and shoulders, which can help to improve your posture and reduce the risk of chronic pain and injury. Improved cardiovascular fitness. Push-ups can increase heart rate and provide cardiovascular benefits, helping to improve your overall fitness. Improved mental health. Exercise, including push-ups, has been shown to improve mood, reduce stress and anxiety, and improve self-esteem and confidence. It's important to note that the exact outcomes will depend on several factors, including your starting fitness level, nutrition, sleep, and overall health. Additionally, it's important to vary your exercise routine and incorporate other exercises to ensure a balanced fitness program. How to push up the right rules. To perform push-ups correctly, follow these steps. Start in a plank position with your hands shoulder width apart and your palms flat on the ground. Your feet should be together, and your body should be in a straight line from your head to your heels. Lower your body towards the ground by bending your elbows, keeping your elbows close to your body. Your chest should touch the ground, or come as close as possible without touching it. Push your body back up by straightening your arms, keeping your body in a straight line throughout the movement. Repeat for the desired number of repetitions. Here are some additional tips to keep in mind. Keep your core engaged throughout the movement to help maintain proper form and stability. Breathe in as you lower your body towards the ground, and exhale as you push back up. Make sure your elbows are pointing slightly back, rather than out to the sides, to help protect your shoulders. If you are new to push-ups, start with modified push-ups, where you keep your knees on the ground to build strength and gradually progress to full push-ups. Remember to listen to your body and stop if you experience pain or discomfort. It's important to start with a number of repetitions that is appropriate for your fitness level and gradually increase as you build strength and endurance. We hope you enjoyed, and please leave like and comment on this video. And if you new here, Hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get new awesome videos. Have a good day!